Hello guys, welcome again to another video. Today we are now playing Bike Obby. And guys, before we start this video, don't forget to subscribe and like and share this with your friend, and let's start the game. Okay, now the first level is to dodge this one. Okay, let's see, we can do it. Told you, I knew it. More. Whoa. Yeah. No, no, stop, guys. No, I'm dead. I'm dead. Okay, okay, again. I forgot to click the check. Oh. Okay, guys. Okay. Uh, no. Oh. Okay, guys. One more. We can do it. Okay. Slowly and steady makes the race. Guys, that comment down below here what game we gonna play. Don't worry, guys, because every comment you guys type, I'm gonna do it. Don't worry, comment down below. And if you want to friend with me, you can put your username down in the comment section. Okay, guys. Okay. Let's go now, focus, kasi we're always dying. Okay. No! Sana nagsintot ako. Ulit. 1, 2, 3. Stop! No! Lagi ako stop sa kanal. Dito na tayo. Stop. Stop! Okay. Stop. 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 And stop. Okay, guys. I have a challenge for you here. If I got to the end without touching this red one, please give me the like, and please share this with your friend, okay? Here it comes. Okay. Ito, if I pass this turning around, let's be friends and then let's go. Let's don't give a mean comment. Okay, guys? If we pass through without touching. Okay, I want to go. Okay, wait. Oh, okay. No dying. I don't want to die. No. Yes! Oh, guys, I remember. Okay, now. Our next game is balance. I love balance because I'm good at balancing. Now, this area. Yes! Yeah. Galing ko, diba, guys? Joke lang. Hindi ako magaling talaga dito. Pero, I'll try this for you. Just keep jumping. That is the... Ay, patay. Namatay ako. Joke lang. Hindi ako kasi nagtingnan properly. Ba't ano nangyari? Ang weird, diba? Ang weird ng mga... No! Okay. One more. We can do it. Oh! Why I'm falling a lot? Okay, wait. 1, 2, 3. Okay. This laser want to kill me? Okay, I'll kill this laser thing. Say. Oh! Wait, I pass? How did I pass? Okay, that's good. Okay, guys. The next one is... Okay, I'm falling. That is why I always wear a helmet. Okay. Slow down tayo dito kasi ang hirap takbo na. Pero don't worry. Okay, guys. This thing is giving me headache. But let's go slowly and easy. Akala ko kaya ko na mag-jump. Come on. Jump this baby boy. Okay, guys. Our technique is hold. Okay, let's go do it. Okay, so slowly na lang para hindi tayo mahulog. Slowly lang tayo. Can we do that jump? Maybe yes. Maybe no. Okay. Hindi tayo nahihi. Umamos! Ba't ko kasi ginawa yun? Sana hindi ko ginawa. Okay, guys. So na lang, guys. Magtalo na tayo dito. Okay. Okay, we're gonna jump. Okay, guys. Okay. Slow down, steady tayo. Kasi malapit na tayo. Kung mahulog na tayo, I will be mad. Okay, there you go. And if I pass here, like this video, okay? Let's go. Joke lang, antay. Joke, Wait. Kaya ka ta. Practice lang yung kanina. Okay, no stopping. Ay! Ang hirap po may kasamang laser. Ay, dito tayo sa site. Okay. My bike is... Okay. Okay, slowly and steady. Okay, thank you. I'm dying. I'm keep dying this game. If I touch that but all this game is giving me a headache. I'm gonna die here. Kahit gulong mo lang, hindi pa katawan. Impossible. Okay guys, tuloy-tuloy na tayo mag-jump. Okay guys, our technique is tuloy-tuloy mag-jump. Kasi mahirap mag-balance. I'm gonna be mad, honestly guys. I'm gonna be mad. Okay guys, slow down na lang tayo para hindi tayo mahirap. Okay. Guys, isang turn lang yun. Natamaan ako. Guys, parang hirap. Okay guys. Okay guys, we made it. Okay. Guys, this video is... Okay, this game is very giving me a... Bro. Come on. How many times I need to follow? Dito na tayo sa kabila. Para mapapahirapan tayo dito. Para madali dito konti. Oo, ang dali konti dito. Banda. Ang dali-dali dito banda. Okay, sa side na lang tayo guys. Madali dito sa side. Sige, kaya na natin ito. Ay, Diyos ko po. Sobra kong talon. Excited. Help me. Okay guys. Slow down. Okay guys, dito na lang tayo, pero slowly na lang. Huwag na tayo magmamadali. Okay. Slowly na lang tayo, huwag na tayo magmamadali. I want to buy a infinite fly para hindi na tayo kailangan alala. I try to jump. This. Guys, if I jump good here, nah, I'm dead here. Tinalsik talaga ako. Guys, ang tagal na ako dito, guys. Kung na-board na kayo dito sa top, i-move na lang ninyo sa next, like, mga 12 minute and 35 minute. Baka. Okay, this game is giving me a rig game. Okay, good. One more. Last jump. Don't die. Last jump na ito. Don't die. Thank you. How many? Okay, let's go. It's very easy. Just amazing. Okay. First try. Joke lang, hindi to first try. First try, sinabi ko first try, pero hindi first try, joke. Guys, comment down below what game I'm gonna play next. Don't worry guys, any video you suggest, I will play for you. That I will play that because to inspire. Wait. I like to make. I want to make a content, guys, because this is to make you guys happy because I want live. That's why do not talk while you drive. Joke lang. You can talk while you drive, but you need to be focused on the driving. That's important. Okay. Okay, guys. I'm falling here, guys. Okay, guys. Last level na ito, guys. Okay. No! Guys, alam ko ang technique natin dito. Technique natin dito ay double view natin ito. Yan. Double view. No! Okay. Mag-first view tayo. I'm dying! Every round. I'm dead. Okay, guys. If I did not make this in first try, alright, another try. Yo! Okay. Very cuckoo cry. I did not move yet. I just moved little, but not so much. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Sorry. Okay. Ito na, aayusin ko na talaga. Yan. Emotional damage. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Keep jumping dito, guys. Madali na ito. Yes. Okay, guys. If I finish that one, the game is over. Okay, guys. That's all for the video. If you want to continue this one, please subscribe and like and share this with your friend. And thank you for a lot of support with me. Let's thank you for supporting my video, guys, liking my video, and I want a good comment, guys. Okay, let's be nice together and help her. Thank you, guys, and have a nice day. Subscribe.